looking at all the things that you could do if your husband wasn't feeling bad.
Yeah. We have lots of trails here.
Yeah.
A lot of the
We should
trails
call
you put your bike
this
on.
one we should call Good Intentions.
Good intentions.
And bad back. Because we truly had good intentions, but if you could have seen me yesterday after riding or driving from Miyaka River to here. So today has ended up being a series of short walks because trying to get my back better means not going on a 5-mile hike and not doing the things we normally would do. You went on one already, right? How long was
a mile?
A mile? Mm-hmm. Went out and saw the eagles and you took some footage of that.
I did. As you probably know by now that Owen's hurt his back again, and it's kind of changed our plans, and it's changed how we're going to be able to video a lot of these places that we stop. We're at Oscar Share right now, and I wanted to take a short little walk this morning, not wanting to be too long and too far away. So at the very end of the campground, there is a little path that takes you out to an eagle's nest, and every year they nest here, and this year they have 2 little eaglets, and I wanted to come out here and see if we would be able to see it. I'm sure Owen maybe drive out here so he can see it too, but we're struggling, trying to figure out what we're going to do next. So stay tuned and see what we do. And we usually do everything together. You guys see that. We're hand in hand almost 95% of the time. But I don't want you just to sit around and not do anything. No, but when you're hurting and you can't get around and stuff, I don't want to leave you either.
I know. I get that for sure. So that's kind of where we are. I'm not sure what's going to come of this episode, if there's even going to be an episode at Oscar Share, but I think we're going to at least try to tell you the hardships of traveling. What is it about 4 weeks too that we reach a limit? I don't understand that about us. We're 4 weeks out right now today. This starts our 5th week of traveling. And I don't know, what do you think? It's like,
I don't know. It's like, I don't know. For me, it's like, it's cramped and you get to feeling all that. And
you have an issue with the cleanliness too, of all the sand and everything else.
Right. And you know, some places are worse than other ones. This one's a little worse. It's definitely a more rustic campground.
Yeah.
You know, keeping the dirt off of Maggie, and she brings it in, and then it's like I need to wash the comforter. You can't wash them at the RV or at the campgrounds because washers aren't big enough. We need to stop and do an industrial washer somewhere. Yeah. And you know, it's like you cram stuff here and you cram stuff there.
Well, that's my fault.
Yeah, it is. But Owen did, like, you know, in the last video, he did like rearrange the truck and got it better, but you know, it's worse now. So.
But then I bought another chair. We have these Nemo chairs, and I'm starting to think that that's one of the evil things that's hurt my back, because you're just kind of like in a a hammock almost all the time, and it's hurt me.
I don't think you can say it hurt your back.
The thing did hurt me too.
It did not.
It didn't help me.
It didn't help.
Yeah.
I think you hurt it some other way.
So last night when we went to Walmart, we bought a 4-inch topper. That helped. It helped you. You slept better last night. It helped me a lot. We bought a wedge that lets me put my feet up at an angle and get the stress off of my back, and that's worked really well. And we bought a $30 bungee chair that I thought, well, this might work, it might not. It has turned out to be the most comfortable chair to sit in as far as back support.
Yeah.
Not very heavy, and pretty much liking that. So it's a journey. I don't know what made me think that this, what is this, 4 inches of foam, that would be so comfortable to sit in, but it's not for a long time. I did get a special cushion yesterday at Costco you can sit in that gives you a little bit more ergonomics, and I put this pillow behind my back. And because of that, I can sit there for maybe 20 to 30 minutes, and then that's about all I can stand. And then this is the Imaginarium wedge that we got. It's memory foam. It's really, really comfortable. And I can sit in many different ways with that. I can sit up against the wall and have some support, or I can lie on the bed and put my knees over it and elevate my knees. And I just added the first part of the second version of Bahia Honda in that position. It worked out really well. Taking back something that I bought hoping it would help with my back, but it is not going to. Not Lynn, that little wedge right there, that's what we're taking back. Here's the cheap chair that I bought.
Here.
Pretty comfortable actually. And I put a lumbar pillow in there to help with my lumbar, because that's what lumbar pillows do. And here's the mega expensive one. The Stargaze Evo X from Nemo. We usually love their stuff, but I'm telling you, that is, I don't think that's the style of chair that an old man with back issues needs to have. And we've got that issue that they're still trying to fix, which it rocks back and forth. So anyway, I think I'm gonna stick to my little cheapy chair over there, because it's comfortable. Pretty much liking that. So that's what we've done. We'll probably do more. I'm with her. I know that we left and had to pack for 4 seasons. I don't think we're going to be using that cold weather season stuff, but my entire storage box is full of cold weather stuff.
Yeah.
Maybe I should do something else. Maybe we can ship it back.
No.
Throw it away and buy more.
We should. I don't think so either.
But the more stuff you buy, like those chairs. What do I do with the Nemo chair I have? It's a $200 chair. I don't want to throw it away. I don't want to give it away. But I'm not going to sit in it probably for the rest of this trip. So I've got to get it home with us. I got to figure out what to do with that. We got a lot of things stuffed in every little nook and cranny in the RV and the truck. And that's just something that happens. So anyway, that's what's going on with us. What's going on with you?
Find you some shade underneath Daddy on the bench.
Daddy makes him some shade, man. Make me.
And it's breezy out here. Feels good.
This is an awesome pier. Made out of traps. We have a pretty good entrance to our site here too. You're not going in this way? Oh, you're gonna see, she knows. Think this is our house, Mama. Well, it's been 3 days. Back's still hurting. Not getting any better. Are you sad, little girl? I don't think so. She loves her home. I hate to do it, but we've come to the conclusion that we still have a month out here on the road. And the things you want to do whenever you're out here in Florida, well, they kind of require your back to not be hurting, to get out on the water and to ride your bikes and to hike and do the things we love to do. And I know me, if we stay, I'm going to just keep pushing myself, and it's likely that my back is going to be hurting me for the entire 4 weeks that we've got left. And we have Fort DeSoto coming up today. We had all intentions of getting up this morning and going to Fort DeSoto and resting for those 4 days and then continuing on. But it's probably hurting worse today than it was yesterday. So we've made the decision. It's late in the morning. It's 10:30. It'll be 11 o'clock before we pull out of here, but we're going to start driving back towards our North Carolina home today. And that'll be it for this trip. If my health will not allow me to travel, then that makes it really hard to have a travel channel. So we're going to do some soul searching on the way home, and we're going to do some thinking and some gazentas, and we'll try to figure all that out. But for now, our next stop is going to be somewhere between here and our driveway. But first we have to get this thing packed up at least one more time. Okay, got all that done without hurting me too much. Lynn is very much a trooper. She has learned to do just about everything with this thing. And now the next stop is for us to go see if we can dump, because you can't go home with full tanks. That's a bummer. So here we go. And this is somewhat of a tight exit here. That wasn't that bad. I'm gonna have to put my
Brace on? Did you put your brace on?
I didn't put the brace on, but I'm okay right now. I should have put the brace on before I did all that work. Mm-hmm. You did most of the work though. Mm-hmm. Now the trick's going to be how many people are up here dumping. There's only one dump station here, and there are no full hookups, so everybody lines up. 2 people, a Bambi and an R-Pod.
We have to stop at the trash too.
R-Pod dude's just about finished. I never understand why it takes so long for some people to do this. I don't want to jinx it, but even with my stiff, sore back, I can do it in 2 minutes and be out of there. And I would pull up and get out of the way and finish putting everything up and do everything. But some people just go at a snail's pace. I guess that's okay.
Good, really
so
good.
We brought us some peanut butter sandwich, peanut butter and honey. I think this one guy's just about ready to do the R-Pod. He hadn't moved yet. Okay. I do not understand why it takes some people 20 minutes to dump. And when you're looking at an 11-hour drive,
yeah, we're getting
20 minutes. Geez, that's a lot. So it makes you wonder, gosh, I'm hoping Airstream Dude is a lot faster. This decision was made this morning. We should have made it yesterday. We should have gotten up at 6 o'clock this morning. Dumping would have been.
We made a decision yesterday.
We did. We were going to go.
But we changed it.
yeah, we did. So, all right. So while we're doing this, I'm going to log in and cancel Fort DeSoto. Airstream Dude's a lot faster. He's almost finished before this other guy even got his back door open. That's the way us Airstream dudes roll, you know. Okay, we made it about 8 hours to Cracker Barrel. And this is where we're set up. We've got a great little setup here under the light. Grass for Maggie. Taking up 2 parking places, and that's okay. Going in for the night.